according to National Geographic in 2015. About 70% of the planet is ocean, and the largest ocean on Earth is the Pacific Ocean, which covers about 30% of the Earth's surface. But did you know? There are 5.25 trillion pieces of plastic debris in the ocean. 60,000 tons of plastic dumped in the ocean daily, resonating from litter on land, such as beaches, streets, and sidewalks, which marine life mistake for food and causes unhealthy ocean water. Over 20,000 swim advisories and beach closures are issued every year. And more than 80% of the nation's beaches are eroding, causing limited beach access and coastal erosion due to overdevelopment. Help protect our oceans, waves, and beaches. Reduce the use of plastic, and promote a green lifestyle by reusing and recycling. Get involved in a local beach cleanup, and become an advocate for saving the ocean. If we don't take action, who will? Join the network of people who celebrate, enjoy, and protect what is ours. With 84 chapters and counting around the United States, bringing together thousands of volunteers and advocates to help save our oceans, become part of a powerful nonprofit organization with Surfrider Foundation. Let's take a stand and take back our wilderness, our playground, and most of all, our home. Get involved today in one of many local chapters in the South Bay, Long Beach, Seal Beach, and Huntington Beach. For more information and to join the movement, visit surfrider.org and keep up with them on social media @Surfrider.